It's giving old people. You ever go to your grandma's house and she got all the old people candies that's supposed to help with health and shit? This stink. Don't eat that shit. It gave turd. It's giving free seafood boil from Shein. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna spice things up just a little bit. Today's not going to be your regular ordinary confession video. I know, relax. Before we get into today's video, I would like to thank TryTreats for sending me this huge box of treats. TryTreats offers a monthly subscription plan to try snacks from all around the world and have it delivered right to your door monthly. That means you could be getting snacks from London, Australia, Africa. You could be trying snacks from all around the world for as low as $14.95 per month per box. And as a huge thank to the Mango Mafia crew, you can use the code piink.mango and receive 50% off your first purchase with TryTreats.com. Don't act like you're not hungry right now. You're sitting down wasting time. Just place your order right now. Like I said, use the coupon code piink.mango to get 50% off your first purchase of your first monthly subscription box. The link will also be provided in the description box below. Make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. Thank you so much, Mango Mafia. Let's get right into this video.
And she like, fuck it, it's too late for this. But it's not late for him. Shawty, stay away from me.
I bought that bitch a Benz cause she used to drive a Honda.
I have a box, but not any old box. It's a treat box. Can y'all see it? Hold on. Do you want me to strike a pose? I could do that. All right, guys, so today I'm gonna be opening this box. Before we start, the box is tea. Is it not giving? Look at it. Look at the little people. Look at the little people. I'm going to be trying out any snack that's in here. I'm pretty sure when I open the box, it's gonna let me know from what part of the world that these snacks are from. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so we got the United Kingdom. I'm feeling bougie, no? This makes me feel bougie. This makes me feel like I'm just that girl. I'm rich. Yeah, just a simple little girl from New York getting a package from the United Kingdom. Who's on my level? Nobody. So we open the little box or whatever, and when we open it, we have this, obviously this little card. It says, welcome to the United Kingdom. We made sure to include a good mix of savory flavors with sweets and biscuits. We hope you like the selection. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the treat. Bon appetit. And I will, don't you worry, I will. Okay, so they give you like a little thing on how to make fish and chips. How do you know I don't know how to cook? Who told y'all? Who did y'all send? Okay, so we have this little card and it tells me what exactly is in the box. So we're gonna start off with the Hill Biscuit Digestive Creams. Should I be eating this? I'm a little scared. So I think this is it. So this is the packaging. We see it. It gave something. Okay, so it's a vanilla cream sandwich digestive biscuit. Why do you gotta use the word digestive? It's kind of scary. So we're gonna... It smells good. Nah, this first of all, this is probably a regular biscuit. Hold on. This crack. I'm kind of stupid. I didn't get no water. So give me a second. I'll be right back. We got water now. So we got the water to cleanse our palate. Okay, so the next one is the Shortbread by Reeds. These delicious all butter shortbread biscuits contain more butter than your average shortbread. Well, I'm gonna be the judge of that. Okay, is this it? Oh my God, this is gonna be nasty. I don't think I'm gonna like this one. Hold on. So this is what it look like. Should I be worried? Should I be frightened? Oh, this smells like the Christmas cookie. If you Haitian, you know what I'm talking about. I swear, it's like when Haitians see that container, they reuse it for every little thing. You try to open that container and it got leaves in it instead of the damn cookies. Oh, I'ma like this. This is actually better. It's like a rich, it's like a rich, it's rich. That's it. That's the one. All right. So the next one is the Roundtree Fruit Pastries? That'd be that right? Yeah, no, I'm a little slow. Oh, is it this? It's vegan friendly. This is giving me Mentos vibes. I don't know. Okay. It got no smell. Okay, so the first one is green. Soft candy, so it's not hard. It has no smell. Oh. Okay. It's good. It's not bad. I mean, I like it. You ever had like the candy dots? That's what it reminds me of. But this low-key tastes better. Like, it ain't got no smell though. That's what's scaring me, because there's no smell. Do I have COVID? No. Bad bitches don't get COVID. But these not even bad for real. First of all 3 of these snacks, I can't give you a 10, but they get a strong 9.5, 9.5. Okay, so the next one, we have the Guinness chips by Beck. If you Haitian, or if you Caribbean, it don't matter if you don't even gotta be Haitian for real. The Caribbeans, they love themselves some Guinness. All right, so this is the packaging, Guinness. I really hope this is not, like, so far we 3 for 10 right now, and they all good to me. So far, this stink. This don't sit right with me. Oh, hold on. Actually, it's not it. No, I can't do it. I gotta eat this for real. What's in this? Is that like the rich chili that's causing it to smell like that? You think so? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna eat it. So this is the chip. Y'all, if I die after this video, y'all know who did it. Oh, hold on. This is not bad. Oh, this is tea. This is tea. Y'all know what y'all was doing in that factory. I'm gonna tell y'all that. My breath gonna stink though. That's the only thing. My breath will stink after eating this. It's a good chip. It's good. Trust me, this is good. Even though it stink, you might have to only eat this like at night, like before you brush your teeth to go to bed. Like, this is not something you eat at 7 o'clock in the morning before school, because your breath will smell like a bowl of ass crumbs. But this is good. This is tea. 8 out of 10. Palette. Okay, so the next one is the Jaffa Bars by Lee's. Lee Orange Jaffa Bar is an orange flavored fondant coated in rich Belgian chocolate. That sounds rich. Honestly, like, I really made it. My little cute and curvy self from New York, little old me, getting snacked in the mail from the United Kingdom. This is a luxury. Y'all would never. So this is what it is. It's kind of like not squishy. I can feel it though. Like, I can feel the chocolate, but this is what it looks like. And we're gonna try it. This was made in Scotland. Yeah, y'all little hoes be getting y'all snacks made from New York. I get my snacks from Scotland. Okay. Ooh, it's definitely a rich chocolate. It smells very rich. So this is what it looked like. It looked like a little turd. No, it's giving turd tease. I have hope that it's gonna taste good. So. I'm sorry, baby. Don't eat that shit. It's like the chocolate was good, but whatever the fuck is inside, whatever's in this shit, what is this? Yeah, no, that's gonna get a calm 0. You're not even on the scale. Fuck that. This should be illegal. The next is the Milky Bar by Nestle. Milky Bar by Nestle are a bag of white chocolate buttons similar to white buttons from Cadbury. First of all, is this not questionable packaging? It's literally flat. It says milk is our #1 ingredient. Where is this one from? Store Cool and Dry. No, where are you from? It doesn't say. Okay, so we're gonna... This is flat. What is going on? Do we see that? Hold on. All right, we're just gonna try it, y'all. This not bad. This not bad for real. This good. It's very creamy. I like it. Picasso. The only thing that's a little, you know, off is this little scary ass card that y'all got on here. And the fact that they're not really dots is freaking flat as fuck. But it's really good. You get a 7. All right, we got 4 more snacks to go. My stomach already doing this little dance. Yeah, I'm gonna need you to press that subscribe button right now. Okay, so the next one is Gourd Peanut Bar by Cook. It's crafted with peanut, caramel toffee, and creamy milk chocolate. I'm not gonna like this. One, I'm not a peanut fan. I never really had toffee before. It's giving old people candy. So this is what it looks like. It's giving old people. You ever go to your grandma's house and she got all the old people candies that's supposed to help with health and shit? Okay, so we're just gonna... It gave turd. That's what it looks like. I smell the peanut. Ah, damn, this shit gonna break my teeth. Oh. It's not bad. I'm just not a peanut person. If you love peanut, this will be perfect for you. Okay, so next one is called Randoms by Roundtrees. From ping pong paddles and paintbrushes to snowflakes and saxophones, each pack of random contains millions of possible random sweet combinations. You'll never quite know what you're going to get. So you're telling me I'm not gonna know what flavor this is. Now, what if it's one flavor that I actually like and I want to get it again? I'm just never gonna get that shit again. The packaging. Do you see the llama in the corner? Is that a foot? Y'all about to have me eat something in the shape of a foot. That's not crazy to you? It smells good. It smells like... Is that an ass? Oh, I thought this was a booty. It's a little music note. I thought it was a little booty. Okay, but it smells like fruit snack. I think I'm gonna enjoy this. This music note is giving like a marshmallow type of texture. And then we have whatever this is supposed to be. Okay. Oh, we got a little hashtag. Hashtag for hashtag pink mango. Hashtag for get 50% off your first purchase with the code pink mango. This is a sheep. Can I see it? No. Oh well. This gets a 10. The next one is the Prawn Cocktails by TryTreats. Is a pack full of crunchy, salty crisps, with each bite beautifully melting in the mouth. Made with Irish potatoes, sunflower oil, and the classic shrimp cocktail flavor. Okay, so basically they're saying this is supposed to give seafood boil. Open it up. There's something wrong. Every single chip I'm opening is smelling like despair. It's giving free seafood boil from Shein. That's what it smells like. Free seafood boil from Shein. Before putting this in the packaging, did y'all smell this? I mean, I could definitely taste a shrimp flavoring. I definitely taste some seafood in there. It does give potato chips, a little salty. Seafood boiled teas, maybe. It's not something I would pick. It's bearable. I'm gonna give you like a 5. Okay, so the last one, it was supposed to be the Monster Munch Flaming Hot Walkers. They sent me a little note. It was a mistake. So instead of the Monster Munch whatever shit, we got the Bird's Mature Cheddar and Green Onion. These are creamy vintage cheddar sourced from artisan cheesemakers, and it's combined with green onions, crunchy crisp for a taste of Britain. So I technically just went on a little 10-day vacation to the United Kingdom and had a full inclusive trip. So we're gonna try the very last one, which are the Bird's British hand-cooked potato chip. Hopefully these do not smell bad. Okay, these have a more bearable smell. Like these smell like potato chips. Yo, first of all, these are saved the best for last. 10. It's something serious. Yo, I just went to England and back. Who you know traveled to the United Kingdom across the world and back to New York in 10 minutes? Yeah, nobody, because nobody's gonna do it like Pink Mango. Okay guys, that's the end of today's video. Make sure if you guys are interested in getting your own subscription box every month from a different part of the world, make sure you guys click the link in the description box below. Use code PINKMANGO for 50% off your first purchase, and get ready for the trip of a lifetime, because I just went to England and back. Thank you TryTreats for sending me this lovely box of delicious snacks, even though some of them were a little questionable. So me and you gonna have a little talk. But thank you guys for sponsoring today's video, and thank you Mango Mafia for rocking with me and watching today's video. Make sure you guys share, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
And shit like fuck it, it's too late for this. But it's not late for him. Shawty, stay away from me.